Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at a very cool mic stand workstation that we just finished up. So, taking a look at this guy, starting at the mic stand compartment here, there are storage for 25 full-size tripod stands in here. So these compartments are big enough that they will fit a tripod with collapsed legs in each one of the compartments. So each one of these compartments are made out of 1/2-inch marine grade plastic. So there aren't any coating on any of the divider walls, so you can put mic stands in and out of there for a long time, and they will not peel any carpet or anything off the side. So looking at the side lids here, these are built out of the same black marine grade plastic. At the top here, there are 5 compartments just for small storage. This is good for things like Euro to standard mic stand adapters, clips, anything that may want to get lost if you throw it in a drawer or you need something quick, Sharpies, that kind of stuff. So on the bottom of each drawer, there are also an additional 5 mic stand compartments, and these are designed for low pro stands, so guitar amps, kick drums, that kind of thing. So each of the doors are actually the same. They mirror each other. So just showing you here. So you can see here just some of our frame miters, the way that this actually works. It's always an interesting thing I like to point out. There's a lot of really detailed aluminum work that goes into these cases, especially for the different closure styles. So this one that has the split front lids here. Some pretty nice aluminum work. I have to shout out to our aluminum department for that. So looking at the main work surface, this is a carpet-lined work surface. So you might be thinking, well, that's an interesting call. Why would they do carpet? Well, if you're setting mics down on there, sometimes you want a nice little soft surface to take stuff apart. So you don't want it to be clunking down on a table. So this is the carpet-lined work surface. So looking at our top drawers here, the first 3 drawers in this workbox are the same. They are split into 4s. So much like all of our cases, these are built out of 1/2-inch Baltic birch plywood. They feature heavy-duty Accuride glides. We've got a 1/2-inch black ABS front face piece so that you can't see the glides and stuff. It keeps it really nice and neat. Pen Elcom heavy-duty recessed handle. So everything on the inside of the drawer here, this is all built out of marine grade plastic. So the drawer itself is finished with black textured coating, and then the divider network is built out of marine grade plastic. So one of the interesting things too about this particular design is the customer asked us to make the drawers extend fully and beyond the work surface. So if you notice here, there's a little bit of a gap there at the back, and that's just so that if you're pulling stuff out of the back, you have access to the full width of the drawer. So like I said, the first 4 drawers are exactly the same. So going down to the 5th drawer here, this is a foam insert that is specifically designed for RF mics. So there's a bit more space on the top to accommodate the longer stick, and it's also a wider diameter hole that allows for that. And then on the bottom drawer here, this is a standard mic insert. So on the right-hand side, those are RFs. And then the left-hand side, those are 15 compartments for regular handheld mics, 58s, 57s, that kind of size. So we do space our foam inserts out so that if you do want to use something like a 609 or an odd-shaped dynamic, kind of like that, there is enough space to accommodate those. So the foam insert is made out of PE foam. It's the denser foam. If you're hip with road case kind of stuff, it's the dense foam. And we do that because the ester foam that you may be used to, the really soft stuff, does get degraded and really flaky over time. So PE will stand up a lot better over time. So again, same drawer construction. It's all 1/2-inch Baltic birch, black texture coated, heavy-duty Accuride glides. So we'll give you a spin around the case here, so you can kind of see what's going on. These are the doors. So this is a 1/2-inch plywood case, laminated with black ABS plastic. It is riding on Coulson 4-inch Ecoforma casters. The lid here, going at it, does feature caster cups on here, so you can stack 2 of these work boxes together. You're most definitely going to need a forklift to do that. This case is going to be extremely heavy, but these are deep recessed caster cups. These are pretty great as far as caster cups go, which may not be the most interesting thing in the world, but they allow for the caster to go really deep into the dish, and it won't allow cases to jump out. So looking at the hardware, we do have recessed lid stays on this particular case, and we like to use that versus a strap or a wire lid stay whenever humanly possible, because when you're working in, say, this area, if you bump the lid stay with cable, if it's a cable trunk or anything like that, you can knock the lid closed. So we try to use a hardware lid stay whenever humanly possible. So anyway, this is our mic workstand case. If you have any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. Check us out, lmcases.com. Follow us on Instagram, lm_cases, or you can call us 800-874-8326. Thanks for stopping by.